Welcome to the month of August, our amazing viewers. A 26-year-old woman who was kidnapped during a violent attack in Kwara State has been rescued by security operatives after an intelligence-led operation uncovered a suspected link within the criminal network behind the abduction. The rescue of Shekinat Mukaila has brought relief to her family and residents of Wande community, where armed men invaded and carried out the attack. However, the development has also renewed concerns about the growing sophistication of kidnapping networks and the challenges security agencies face in dismantling them. But beyond this successful rescue mission lies a bigger concern: how are criminal groups continuing to organize attacks in communities, and what more can be done to prevent kidnappers from gaining access to vulnerable areas? The incident occurred on July 15, 2026, when armed hoodlums reportedly stormed Wande community in Ora Kingdom, Ife-Lodun local government area of Kwara State. The attackers allegedly moved into the community with weapons, creating fear among residents before adopting Shekinat Mukaila, a 26-year-old woman. During the attack, the Bale of Wande, who is the traditional ruler of the community, was reportedly injured while attempting to resist the criminals and stop the adoption. According to the police, the traditional ruler sustained gunshot injuries during the confrontation and was immediately taken to the University of Ilorin Teaching Hospital for medical treatment. The police later confirmed that the traditional ruler recovered from the injuries and was discharged from the hospital. However, the attack left residents worried about the increasing threats posed by criminal groups operating in communities across different parts of Nigeria. Following the reports of kidnapping, the Kwara State Police Command immediately activated its tactical and intelligence units. The Commissioner of Police, Ojo Adekimi, said officers were deployed to the community to secure the area, gather evidence, and begin a detailed investigation aimed at identifying those responsible for the attack. According to the police commissioner, the investigation was not limited to searching for the victim, but also focused on uncovering the structure of criminal networks behind the operation. Security operatives worked to trace information, identify possible collaborators, and understand how the attackers planned the adoption. The investigation later produced a breakthrough with the arrest of Aliyu Mohammed, a suspect accused of facilitating the activities of the kidnappers. Police authorities alleged that Mohammed provided assistance to the criminal group and played a role in enabling their operations. The arrest of the suspected collaborator has begun a major development in the case because security agencies often struggle to identify individuals who support kidnapping gangs. While armed criminals carry out attacks, many operations depend on people who provide information, logistics, and other forms of assistance. The Kwara Police Command also disclosed that investigators were able to identify and analyze communication channels allegedly used by the criminal gangs during ransom negotiations. Authorities said the information obtained from these communications helped security operatives narrow their investigation and coordinate the rescue operation. Following intelligence gathered during the investigation, security teams intensified their operations, eventually leading to the successful rescue of Shekinat Mukaila. Police confirmed that the victim was found alive and unarmed, bringing to an end uncertainty faced by her family. The rescued woman was later reunited with her relatives, while security operatives continued efforts to locate other members of the kidnapping syndicates believed to have escaped. Police authorities said investigations remain ongoing and more arrests could follow as additional information emerges. The operation in Kwara highlights the increasing importance of intelligence-led policing in Nigeria's fight against criminal activities. Security experts have repeatedly stated that gathering accurate information before and after attacks is essential in preventing crimes and ensuring that suspects are brought to justice. Across Nigeria, kidnapping has remained one of the country's most serious security challenges. Criminal groups have continued to target communities, highways, and individuals, often demanding ransom payments from families while creating fear among residents. The persistence of these attacks have placed pressure on security agencies to develop stronger strategies that go beyond responding after crimes have occurred. Many experts argue that preventing kidnappings require improved intelligence gathering, stronger community cooperation, and faster response to security threats. The Kwara incident also demonstrates the important role local residents can play in supporting security efforts. Authorities have repeatedly urged communities to report suspicious movements and provide credible information that could help security agencies identify criminal elements before attacks take place. Commissioner Adekimi assured residents that the police would continue working with other security agencies to protect lives and properties across the states. He stressed that the command remains committed to pursuing criminals and ensuring that those responsible for the abduction face justice. For the family of Shekinat Mukaila, the rescue has ended days of fear and uncertainty. But for security agencies, the mission is not complete. The focus now shifts to tracking down the remaining suspects and dismantling the networks that carried out the attack. The Kwara rescue operation represents a significant achievement for law enforcement, but it also serves as a reminder of the wider security challenges facing communities across Nigeria. As the investigation continues, authorities will be under pressure to ensure that criminal groups do not continue to operate with access to support networks. The coming days will determine whether the arrest of the suspected collaborator leads to the capture of more members of the gang and whether stronger security measures can prevent similar attacks in the future. What do you think? Share your thoughts in the comment below. If you find this report informative, please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you never miss our latest updates in Nigeria and worldwide. I'm Chimejum Okoro, and I will see you soon.